We're all about taking science to solve problems. But the fact is, if you don't have a context for that, it's not valuable. And that's what the liberal arts gives you.
No matter what it is, whether it's a biology class, a general science class, or an advanced chemistry elective, all of the classes promote critical thinking.
Kettering's mission overall is to build transformative leaders through experiential learning. It gives you a context for your problem solving. You don't grow if you're not challenged. And the support that's here for you to take those growth steps is huge.
My long-term career goal is to be a professor and head my own research. Kettering taught me how to challenge myself.
It's all in. There's no tiptoeing around learning science at Kettering.
Not only am I learning how to work a 40-hour-a-week job, but I'm also learning how to actually do the research that I'll be expected to do as a grad student.
I think students at Kettering come through a program with a better sense of how their knowledge can be used to solve world problems. We will give you the chance to do right away.
I co-op at Deep Space Systems in Littleton, Colorado. We're building the camera systems for the Orion spacecraft. Through my work, I've been able to actually go to NASA headquarters and travel to Boston to do radiation testing on different components. And that's a job that normally an intern would never see.
Some of the jobs that we have right now, 10 years ago, nobody even knew they existed. So we want big thinkers, we want big doers.
Being here and being around all these people who are at the same mindset, I really feel that I'm going to be graduating with the best knowledge and the best experience to help me move forward.